Now, if you're trying to recover your Monopoly Go guest account, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch any of your preferred web application. As you do so, at the top search bar, simply type in Customer Support Monopoly Go account. As you do so, you will see Help Shift by Monopoly Go itself that says Monopoly Go Technical Support and Help Center. So click onto that, and here you will see various related article, but if you cannot find it, you may go ahead and search it. If you could not find it even after you search it, tap on this chat button. And here it will direct you to a page like this. Simply paste this that says, how do I recover my guest account? Give me step-by-step guide, please. As you do so, tap on send and follow the on-screen prompt, and they will give you step-by-step instruction of how you can recover your guest Monopoly account. And just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.